Here is our demo of Excel-lent Words, a program that is used to calculate the sentiment of different product reviews. As you can see, in the comments column, we're inserting product reviews, everything ranging from amazing product to terrible experience, which is a wide variety of different sentiments. As you can see on the second column, the comments are then trimmed and cleaned so they can be processed through our dictionary of different sentiment words. Now that we've inputted 10 different comments representing the product reviews, we will now go into the Visual Basics editor, and you can see that we built a module to calculate what the sentiments of the reviews are by looping around to our data dictionary of different sentiment words. Now, as it runs, you will see that the number of positive words, the number of negative words, and the number of stop words will populate to calculate the overall sentiment of each different product review. So now you see we have the total words, the number of stop words, total number of negative words, and the number of positive words, calculating the overall sentiment as a percentage. And you can see that we have the total of the overall product reviews on the right-hand column, as well as the count of positive, neutral, and negative comments. Now, as we transfer into the Visuals tab of our Excel document, you'll be able to see different visuals of the data set. So as you can see, we had a 6.48% positive review rating on the overall sentiment of the product reviews, and you can also see by the bar and pie charts what the percentage and count of these were.